The vanity's going to go right there in that corner with the towel rack on the front, and it'll have the toilet paper holder on the side because the toilet's right there in the corner. We're also going to make 2 hooks to go on this wall to hang towels right outside the shower. What is going on, people? We're back today, finally, with another video. Hopefully, if this all goes right, it will be a video. Anywho, we are out here in the shop today. Yeah, we're not going to be in the shop. We're going to be out that door. But anyway, what we have going today is for the upstairs in our house. We're turning it into an apartment for me and my wife to live in temporarily till we can build a real house. So anyway, for the bathroom up there, we have built a custom vanity out of none other than sweet gum wood. You may be thinking, sweet gum, what's that? Some people may not have, I don't know where sweet gums grow. But anyway, around here we call them sweet gum trees. They're the ones that drop the gum balls. Sweet gum balls. Anywho, this is sweet gum. It's absolutely gorgeous wood on the inside. So that's what we decided to make out of it. This stuff bends and twists like crazy, so it's perfect for making small stuff, because for small stuff, if it's bent, it really don't matter because it's such a short piece of wood. You can't tell that it's bent. But anyway, what we're going to do today is we're going to be forging, right, Cody? Mm-hmm. We're going to forge a towel holder on the front. We'll have a bracket here and a bracket there, and we'll have a piece of rod running across between it. It'll be all twisty and forgy looking and all pretty like. And then over here on this side, because the toilet will be sitting right next to it, we're going to go ahead and make a toilet paper holder that will mount on this side of it, kind of probably as low as possible. So we're going to make a towel rack, toilet paper holder, and then 2 hooks like I mentioned earlier. So Cody's going to run up front and get us a piece of material to work with, and then we'll get the forge fired up and get going.
I'm up here. I have to get a handle for Mark. Now we have a handle.
Alright, got the forge fired up and heated up. I'm going to start off by making the brackets that will hold the towel rod on the front. Yeah, that's what I'm going to start off with. I'm just going to use this piece of square rod. And I'm going to forge out the brackets that will hold the thing. Here's the rod, all shiny, which is not shiny, it's just the wire brush makes it look shiny. Anywho, gonna clean up the rest of these parts just like that. And then the toilet paper holder and the hooks, these are all done besides cleaning them up. This part here, gonna take it, put them on like that, gonna cut the extra length off the bars, and then we're gonna heat the end of this rod up in the forge and then beat it over. That way this can't come out. Now I just gotta fire up the forge one last time and this will be finished. Do that right there. Take this, put it on like so. Now this thing can't come off. So we're gonna do the same thing to the other side. Just about time.
Make sure you put this on right.
I don't have a hammer.
Hurry!
Alright, there she is. Alright, so we're done with the manufacturing of this stuff. We're just going to mount it up with sheetrock screws because the color pretty much matches. Feels so wrong to drill into this nice thing. Alright, we got all of our hardware done, secured up to the Vanity. The Vanity's not done yet, the top's not secured, but that's the hardware. Figured just make some instead of buying some. Yes, it looks rough, but it's supposed to look like that, otherwise I wouldn't have made it myself. But here's a toilet paper holder. It'll hold a roll of toilet paper just fine. And I probably shouldn't be pulling this whole roll out, but anyway, that's that. We will insert some pictures of all of this completely finished right now. That's it for this video. Hopefully Abby did a good job videoing and got some good clips. If not, I apologize. We'll have to work on that. So yeah, that's the end of this video. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Hope Lane can make something good out of this content. Anywho, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Let us know if you want to see us do any more forging projects. We can melt stuff, we can forge stuff. Just let us know what you want to see and we'll see if we can do it. So yeah, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.